Hello everyone, today we have Choro-Q Zero number Z-29, the Fiat 500C convertible. But oddly, this has the convertible in the up position. So let's see, get through this tape here. Nope, apparently that didn't do the job. I don't see any additional mirrors. Sometimes these Zeros come with mirrors, although I don't actually put them on anyways. Alright, well... Alright, so also... There's like a brown splotchiness. This could be used. Maybe it was just retaped. Alright, so I'm pretty sure they were going for this photograph. The wheels are even identical, or, well, close to it. There's the foreshortened view. And a rear view. Alright. So it's a nice blue that they have here. It's just like a baby blue or sky blue. It's not metallic though. Although these wheels do look similar to the photo, you know, I kind of wish these were open. So maybe some black paint will help those look nicer. The door handle is sticking out, but there's no silver paint on it. The real photo does have paint. Oh, look at this. See, this is a mess. What is going on here? Hopefully I can polish that out. I don't know. Definitely weird stuff going on. Okay. Texture in the grill here. Silver headlights. Wow, that Fiat I think is legible. Yeah, look at that. You can pretty much read. The T's missing the top part though, but that's pretty impressive actually. It's a really small logo. So the canopy is smoked plastic. You can kind of see the motor and what's below. The roof fabric is nicely painted, although I feel like some might be missing there. And then these taillights here, they're silver and red. It's kind of weird though. I don't know. I think I pulled up the wrong year of the rear photograph, so I apologize for that. But yeah, there's some weirdness going on there. This looks better, right? So I think basically it's just like, why is there an extra red dot here? But seeing I pulled up the wrong photo, I don't know the answer to that. There's some silver here, but a little silver paint overrun there. A little silver on this exhaust tip here. And then production code here says 2014, the 10th month of 2014. You can see that front axle's all rusted out, same with the screw. So this has definitely been sitting around for a while in a humid environment as well. Okay, well, it's okay. That's weird. I don't know what the deal is with that though. Definitely probably the worst Zero I've gotten. If this is brand new, I'd be really angry. But as I say, I have a suspicion this was used and they just retaped it. So I didn't pay too much for it, so I'm not that concerned. And I actually don't even love this car that much. I only bought it because it wasn't that expensive. Alright, I do have a 1/64 scale of the 500, and it's made by Kyosho. It's a pretty good model. So the cartoon deformation actually isn't that drastic because the real car itself is pretty small. Alright, so I'll just put up a couple of other small Choro-Qs. Here's a Mercedes A-Class, and I have some 3D printed wheels on it. You'll see it's quite shorter than this guy, but this is an older Choro-Q. In fact, let me see when it was from. This is from 1999, so obviously different thinking going on back then. This next one is from 2003, and it's a Honda Life. Just put it here. So now it's back to a pretty tall cabin. And here's the top view for you guys. Alright, let's put this cartoon guy up here. Get these guys out. Well, so be mindful, guys. It doesn't seem like it's difficult to mimic a brand new ChoroQ Zero. The actual type of paper that they use is like coated paper. Let me pull it out again. So it's very glossy, and so it'd be very easy to remove that tape and then simply add new tape to it, because there's nothing special about the tape that they use. So that might have been the case with this guy. Alright, well, I guess I'll see you guys the next time I get one of these in. Thanks.